Right, okay, time for a new video and something completely different this time, I think, or different for us anyway. So we are planning, I've been talking to VWT about producing a cover shot with this van here. So this is the mud van that's featured quite a lot, and we want to do a, what do you call it, Jake? What's the term? Stargate? Astro shoot. So Jake here, there we go, has done some a pretty cool shot of my previous van with an astro shoot with all the stars and all cool stuff I don't understand, but it looked absolutely spot on. So we want to do the same thing with this van, astro shoot in some woodland with some trees. We'll show you how and the plan of what we're going to do to try and make a front cover for VWT. So we thought we'd document it all and show you how we've got a VWT front cover. The problem that we have is the time of year and this moon. I don't know if you can see up there anywhere, probably not. So it's about 2:30 and the moon's there, which makes it really awkward. I don't explain why, Jake. Explain why.
Basically, because it's up there, so I've got to get the mic right in.
Yeah.
Basically, because it's so early and the moon's so high, it's going to stay high throughout the course of the day and then into the night. So it's just going to stay up there, and then it's only going to get bigger right now. So we've got to wait like a week and a bit for a new moon to start coming and it not appear in the night sky whatsoever. So analogy was with the moon in the night sky when you're trying to take a picture is, imagine you're sitting watching a film and then if somebody in a few rows in front of you just shines like a torch in your face. That's pretty much what the moon is right now. So yeah, you can't really see anything when it's out. So ideally we'd like it to go.
So we need the moon gone and the stars in the sky to get the perfect shot. Okay.
Exactly.
So that's the plan. Far more than I can understand, but this guy's done some great astro shots. So anyway, we're going to go and do a recce of the wood. Me and Jake and Danny are going to go and take the van over there, just scope out some places, figure out where the best place to put it for the photo shoot is, and then we'll try and film the whole process of getting it even late at night. So yeah, we're going to head over there now. Right, so here we are in the woodland. So if you saw our Green Friday deal, we were in this woodland. So this is the woodland that we're going to replant in or rewild, and also the field that you saw in the video is over there, which we're also going to rewild. We'll keep the progress of that coming in another YouTube video as we talk you through how we do that. So here's the van in the woodland. There's a couple of spots I wanted to show Jake. Obviously the clearing is the important bit where there's not so many trees, and there's another clearing down there. So the plan is, the way I see it working, or the way I'd like it to work, is van in the woodland, tent box on the top, tent box out, campfire in the front, some of the team sitting out the front here. So we like to try and get all the team in all the photos wherever possible, out the front here or wherever we park it, with the stars above. We'll walk around with Jake, check out some spots, work out the best place we think is to direct it and how we're going to set the whole thing out. Right, so all in aid of making the VWT front cover, Mikey and I have just been to go and collect a load of rocks. All them. Reason being, as part of this front cover, we wanted to have a fire out the front, family sitting around it, stars above, and we're going to be building that fire in that woodland there. And obviously we wanted it to protect the wood and just look nice, but that's quite heavy, and the fields are quite wet, and now we're stuck.
Like really stuck.
So instead of trying to back the grafter up into the woodland, we're just going to have to ditch the rocks here and worry about that another time, and hopefully when it's not got all the weight in it we can get it out. If not, we'll have to go off and get my Defender and try and pull it out. Anyway, let's get these rocks unloaded. The main job now is to try and get all those rocks right down there to where we're going to do the photo shoot. But that's definitely a job for another time, not today. Hopefully the ground will harden up between now and when the moon's right. But anyway, now here's the fun. It's not coming out, is it?
2 hours later.
Is the handbrake on? The back wheel's stuck on a rock. Hang on. What novices? Okay, try again. Is it stuck again? Well, we're going to get some wood bark. That's not how you do it. Right. Oh, it's moving. You're hitting that same rock again every time. You're just dragging the rock along. Wait. Right, rock's gone.
Well, that was an adventure. All this just in aid of a VWT front cover. Oh, get the state of the field. There you go. Moving on. Right, next mission. This is my wife, everybody. Say hi, Anna. This is Roscoe, you know, and that there, Mogwai, you've probably seen her. Right, so the next mission is get all these rocks in that trailer. The beauty is we have this thing that works. Our warehouses are split across the industrial estate. So we bought this a while back to move stock around, and it's been absolutely amazing. Well, the beauty is it's four-wheel drive. So we can load these rocks in there and put them in the wood, ready to set up the photo shoot. So anyway, it's gonna get moved heavy. So the observant among you would have realised that Anna's stronger than I am, but there you go. She does CrossFit, what can I say? So rocks in place for now. Now we just need to wait for the right star pattern, I think. That's Jake's job. And then we can start staging the whole setup. So van here, build a nice fire pit here, get people out, tent box on the roof of the van, set all out, and hopefully we'll get the stars right and we create a pretty cool front cover. Right, it's shoot day hopefully. Sky looks pretty clear. There's a few clouds in the sky, but hopefully they'll clear as the night goes on. So we're heading over to the wood. Fridge is going in the back of the Ivano. Jake's with me ready to do the shoot. So the Latitude tent's on the roof ready to go. So we're going to head over to the wood now, get it set up and get ready for this night shoot. Stage one of the shoot. Not sure how much this should be able to see, but Jake and Danny are setting up the camera. Fire's going over there, trying to get the more detailed part, and then I think later on the fire will go out so they can shoot the stars. Right now it's proper cloudy, but wind's blowing pretty quick, and I think the clouds should blow over later on about 10 o'clock, I think, and hopefully Jake can get the star shot he needs. But right now they're doing everything they can to get the right shot. So there we go. Over there, Caleb and Jack discussing what's going on. Fire's going nice to try and get a bit of detail. Fans in the background there. GoPro's going over there somewhere hidden in the grass, so we hopefully should be able to show you it as it unfolds. There you go. It's what time is it now?
We are on half 10.
Half 10. Right, so I'm going to bed. So I'm leaving Jake and Danny here to carry on working their magic, and hopefully the clouds clear and you can get a decent shot. But yeah, we'll check back. Sunday. Yeah, see you in a few days. Right, so that was the nighttime shoot a couple of nights ago now, and we've had horrendous winds, and this has been parked in the wood ever since. So I was a bit nervous coming down to it today to see if a tree had landed on it, but it's all safe. So today we're just doing the daytime part of the shoot. So at this stage I haven't seen the front cover, or if it's even made the front cover. We've got Kieran over there, see him? He's doing the day shoot photos, which will feature in the magazine as well. Van's still here, still in one piece, looking smart as ever in its natural habitat in this muddy woodland. But yeah, hopefully the pictures came out all right. We'll see, won't we? At this point in the video, when we release this, you should be able to see the cover. I think BWT are going to send it to us. So yeah, I hope it came out nice, and make sure you rush out and go buy a copy, because there'll be the full feature on this, everything we've put in it. There's a few more videos to come on this one actually, because this is our most practical vehicle in the world, van. So again, not sure at the point that this video comes out whether we would have done the features on the rolly fridge, Latitude tent, and some of the cool things we've got going on with this van. Right, here it is. Magazine's finally out. So on the front cover, that was always the goal, although not the shot we were trying to get in the wood. We tried really hard to try and make the shot work, but the way we'd filmed it and taken photos and the light and the cloud, it kind of worked more as a landscape picture. There we go, there's the shot on the inside. Works better that way. But yeah, there we go. That's how you get a VWT front cover. One of Kieran's day shots, which came out really well. In fact, the feature's really good. So head out, get yourself a copy of the magazine, page 10 onwards. Always loads of Transport HQ content in here, because we love the magazine and we build cool stuff. But there you go, there it is. So pop and get a copy of it. Hopefully you found this video interesting. Bit different to what we're used to doing, but I just thought I'd show you what is involved sometimes in some of the stuff we do, or the stuff that we make with VWT, because it's not just as simple as going and doing a photo shoot. There's quite a lot of planning involved, and this has been one of my favourite vans we build. Still a few more things to feature on this van. Electric scooter we've mentioned before, power pack to go on that. We're going to do a feature on the tent, the Latitude tents are on the top of this that were in the photos, so we'll explain why we like them and why they work so well. Yeah, and then we've got a whole new series coming on a new van that's just been delivered. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Please do share it with anybody you think might be interested. Like the video because YouTube likes it. It shows it to more people if people like it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and on this van and also other van coming up, would get a Tesla van update over to you soon. And as always, thanks for watching.